In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the command prompt is missing from the start menu options when you right click on the start button. So if you don't see the command prompt in here, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in personalization. Best match should come back with themes and related settings. Left click on that. Go on the left side and left click on the taskbar option. And then where it says replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell in the menu when I right click on the start button or press the Windows key, you want to just turn that off, so just toggle this to the off position. It should be a gray oval when it's done and it should say off. Close out of here. If you right click on the start button, it should say command prompt again. So do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.